Hey everyone, welcome back. Today let's dive into some intense and important news coming out of Calcutta, India. Recently, the Calcutta High Court granted bail to Sayan Lahiri, a student leader who found himself at the center of a storm. Lahiri was arrested after leading a protest march in response to the horrific alleged rape and murder of a trainee doctor at RG Kar Hospital. The protests, initially driven by raw public anger and grief, quickly escalated into violence, leading to clashes between protesters and the police. Justice Amrita Sinha, presiding over Lahiri's case, decided to grant him bail. The decision was based on his relatively minor role in the protests. More importantly, the court emphasized the need to uphold public faith in the judiciary. In a significant move, the court also barred police from taking any further action against Lahiri without its explicit permission. This brings us to the court's broader stance on how the protests were handled. Justice Sinha didn't hold back in criticizing the authorities. She emphasized the necessity for sensitivity and restraint when dealing with public outrage. Yes, the protests did spiral into violence. Yes, injuries occurred on both sides, but the message from the court was clear. Peaceful protests should not be met with excessive force. The ruling underscores a critical point. Even in the face of emotionally charged situations, the right to peaceful assembly and dissent must be protected. Authorities need to focus on de-escalation rather than suppression. Now let's zoom out a bit to understand the larger picture. The RG Kar incident has sparked nationwide outrage. This tragic event has brought to the forefront the concerns about the safety of women in medical institutions and the effectiveness of the authorities in handling such cases. The protests, which began with students and medical professionals, have grown into a massive movement. People from all walks of life have joined the cause, demanding justice for the victim and accountability from those responsible. The scale of these protests reflects deep-seated anger and frustration over the perceived inaction and insensitivity surrounding the case. Adding to the complexity, the investigation of this incident has faced significant scrutiny. Due to public pressure and concerns about potential bias and a lack of transparency, the case has been transferred to the Central Bureau of Investigation, or CBI. In conclusion, the Calcutta High Court's decision to grant bail to Lahiri and its criticism of the authorities' handling of the protests sends a powerful message. It highlights the delicate balance that must be maintained between maintaining law and order and protecting the fundamental rights of citizens to express their dissent peacefully. This case is far from over, and it serves as a potent reminder of the ongoing struggle for justice and accountability. As always, let's stay informed, stay engaged, and continue to seek the truth. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.